YouTube. Welcome back to our, I don't know if the light, okay, I think this is better. Welcome back to the channel. So we had a very good day today, and we got inspired by Ghetto vegans to make some fried chicken and some mac and cheese and some greens. So I'm going to attempt to make an edit video, so hopefully this turns out good. So right now I got like all my seasonings and stuff that I'm gonna make out, but I'm still not done, so let me just get started, okay? Be right back. Alright, so I got all the seasonings that I'm going to use to make everything. I guess what I need to start off with, wait, I forgot to grab the turnip greens, because those are going to probably take the longest to cook. Probably going to take like 45 minutes to cook those. Oh yeah, I need an onion. Oh, cauliflower to make the wings or the fried chicken. I eat corn too. I think Bea wants some corn. She's been talking about it, so we might do some corn as well. But right now, we about to get this together. Okay, so got the greens washed, and I'm going to add some onion powder, which none of these are open, so hold on just a second. Alrighty, so forgot, actually this is we're gonna do some vegetable broth, so gonna pour that in there. Okay, so got the vegetable broth in there. Actually needed to be on this one because that one is a bigger one. So we're gonna add onion powder. Can y'all see that? Can you see, babe?
They can see.
Add onion powder, and I think that's about a tablespoon. I'm not good with like measuring, so if I got a little bit more, oops. Then I got some garlic.
It smells good.
Powder, yeah, it does smell. I actually don't really use garlic that much, but I'm gonna use it this time for this. And then some paprika, some ground black pepper. Just gonna little sea salt, but if we run out, I have another one anyways. But for now, I'm just gonna use this. They did not say this in their stuff, but I'm just gonna add a little bit. That wasn't a lot. Pretty much, I'm going to let that boil down a little bit, and then when I'll come back and show y'all something else. Okay, maybe I overdid it because I bought 2 bags of these turnip greens, and I forgot. Oh, hit my head. But I forgot that my pot is really not that big. I need some better pots. They're coming soon. So if it goes down a little bit more, I'm gonna add some more greens to it. To go down, I'm about to get my bowls for the fried chicken. For the fried chicken together. Okay, y'all. So I forgot to add my liquid smoke. I heard that this gives the greens like a smoky taste.
Open it.
Okay, I'm gonna add some this. I guess that's enough. Hopefully that's.
Smell it too.
It smells good though. But I did add a little bit more greens to it. But I'm gonna let it still cook down. But I was watching one of the videos from the Ghetto vegans, and she Oh, I can add some more greens because they kind of. Kids, don't try this at home. I'm messing up. Okay. Because I'm royalty. Somebody really supposed to be cleaning for me. I mean, cooking for me. But I guess I got it right now. Damn!
Yes, Mama, do it.
So my camera lady, she left me hanging. So Vea, she don't really like the greeny taste of the greens. So Ghetto Vegan, she said put some rice vinegar in, and I so happen to have some already in my cabinet. So, because I put that in the rice. But but yes, so I'm gonna add this rice vinegar to it. I'm gonna add some of this seasoning to it to make it a little bit more spicier, and I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper, and then I'm gonna let them bad boys cook for like about 45 minutes. Okay, I added this. Oh yeah, and this. I'm like, where is that? Okay, bye. Okay, so I was gonna get Nevaeh to hold it, but I thought I can just hold it myself. So at first we need some flaxseed meal. I hope it's flaxseed meal. It looks like it's supposed to be that, but you need a half a cup of that. Okay, babe, I do need you to hold this. Okay, so I need a half a cup of that. Not quite yet. Okay, I got a half a cup of flaxseed meal. This is the egg substitute. You don't have to show it. This is an egg substitute and water. So pretty much, gosh, I can't even open this. But you need 3 cups of water. Mix it up and then let it sit until it get a little bit, I guess, eggy, if that's a word. So I'm realizing that I need to invest in some mixing bowls because this just it just looks weird. But anyways, I need a mixing bowl because yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the flour because once this sets and is ready, I'll add the other ingredients into it. But until then, let me just go ahead and what am I doing? Okay, so we need 3 cups of flour. So I'm about to do that. Okay, I got all my seasonings in the flour. I'm about to mix that up, and then I'm gonna get to that in a second. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I got some hot sauce and some mustard that I'm about to put in here. That should be enough. And I'm just gonna mix it around a little bit. There, just the greens acting wild right now. Nevaeh is going to add this this in there. Thank you, Pooh. Okay. Now I'm about to mix everything up in this so I can get ready to get my cauliflower ready. Okay, so you gotta get all the stems and stuff off your cauliflower. Okay, y'all, the camera lady left me again in the kitchen by myself. Miss, I want to help. But I got all the cauliflower, cut up and ready to get dipped. And I got the oil getting heated up right now. And I use grapeseed oil because that's the best oil you can use to cook food with. It doesn't turn into poison, you know, after it gets cooked and stuff. So yeah, about to get this corn out. About to get the corn out and get that started. Just about to get a pop. I hit myself again. Okay, y'all, I'm just getting the cauliflower in there. Get all of them, well, a few of them at a time.
Try it.
I'm super proud of myself, y'all. I have never, ever fried chicken before. Like, when I ate meat, I didn't fry chicken. So, I just gotta show y'all this. I'm like a proud parent. Y'all, look at my fried chicken. Oh, yeah. I got a fried corn because my pot's so little that I couldn't fit all of the corn in. So, I made a fried corn. And I like fried corn, but that was pretty. But here's my greens, y'all. This girl don't mind the mess. I was struggling. That's the mac and cheese, and it where's the box? It's this right here. So it has meatless bacon. Can y'all see that? Meatless bacon. Veda picked it out. Yeah. Okay, so I thought I was really done, but I forgot that. Oh, Nevaeh wants cornbread. So let me get this done, which is not gonna take that long. It should take 20 minutes. I don't know about that, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, but y'all, I'm about to eat one. Glass is coming out. That's how good it was. What? Got food in my mouth. I'm so ready to eat. I'm so ready to eat. Vea was doing her best to help me, but she was really in the way. She was kind of really in the way. Are you ready to eat, Nevaeh? Yes. Does everything look good? Like, girl, look at that. Yeah, I got stuff all in my finger. Got flour and stuff all in my fingers. Oh my gosh, I usually like to clean as I cook, but this is all new to me. This is like a lot. Oh, girl, it's like Sunday cooking. It's just stuff everywhere though, everywhere. But yes. These are our plates. This is Nevaeh's plate, and this is my plate. Of course, he gonna put the hot sauce on that. Yeah. We're about to go upstairs and yeah, have a mukbang with y'all. Oh God. We about to okay, so y'all know I ain't got no good setup, but here's our food. I already showed y'all. And did I bring hot sauce?
Right here. It's okay.
Hot sauce. Okay, I'm ready to eat.
Me too.
So, I'm just grateful for our food. How about you?
I'm so grateful.
So grateful for our food. Thank you, me. Thank you, me.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, let's eat. Okay, I think I want to, y'all already know, I love greens. So that's what I'm about to eat first. I probably should cook these a little longer. But it's really good. Like them?
Hot.
What's hot or spicy?
Hot.
Oh, still hot from the grease.
But it's really good.
Thank you, Ghetto Vegan.
You're gonna be smacking like that.
That's how they are. That's how they be snacking. Okay. We ain't got no good setup right now, but this is what we're gonna do from now.
This is so good. The chicken.
It's gonna. I usually don't do this, but I don't like porn. I like the dip. But I didn't get I'm thirsty. All that cooking made me really thirsty. I'm just proud of myself.
This is so good, mommy.
I know. So,
So why does all make cornbread?
what? Oh, yeah, cornbread. Yeah. Y'all saw that box. That thing said 20 and 25 minutes. Not today. We have not tried that macaroni.
It's really good though.
You tried it?
It's good.
I'm kind of scared of the macaroni. I ain't gonna lie. It's alright.
It's okay.
I kept the, I had the noodles on too long because I was doing too many things at once. But I think I did okay for me cooking all this stuff at the same time. I'm just proud of myself. I could do anything. For real, I can't. I don't like how this light is hitting on Bea. Yeah. I got stuff. Yeah, I gotta clean up. Look at my room. I mean, my bed is made up. But I don't know why it stopped. But it stopped. So, with that being said, I'm going to stop this video. Figure out how to get it. On my computer tonight. I probably should have fried these longer. I don't know.
They taste really good.
I think Nevaeh, the batch that I gave her are fried perfect. But some of the ones I grabbed, I just grabbed some. This one is not crunchy like that one. Like this one, y'all. Oh, yeah, I know what. The juices from the greens was probably making it soggy. Ooh. But anyway, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
This is the best glue ever.
I'm Rose.
I'm Queen Magical.
We magical. Peace, peace.